In this video, I'll show you how to wire up a light socket for a lamp, or in my case, a custom lighting feature. Let's do this. Here's one of the sockets I'm wiring. This one is a turn knob switch. You may have a pull chain or a push-through switch, and that's fine. They all get wired the same way. And this is 16/2 wire, and I've already cut it to the length I need. I start by peeling apart the two insulated wires to about 4 inches back, and then I strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each wire. Since this is stranded wire, I go ahead and twist all those individual strands together clockwise so they stay together as one unit. You'll see why this is important in just a minute. Next, I use a handy trick called the Electrician's knot, aka the electric pretzel, which is basically a knot in the wire that keeps it from getting pulled from its connections. Start with the ends of your wire pointed up in a Y shape. Make a loop with one end so that the tip intersects the center from behind. Then make a loop with the other end so that the tip intersects the center from the front. Now take each wire end and feed it through the opposite wire's loop so it looks like a pretzel, an electric pretzel. Next, pull both ends of your electric pretzel tight. Now you're ready to connect the terminals of each socket. And hey, check this out. If the wire gets yanked on, the knot will stop the wire from being pulled from the terminals. So this is really a great detail to add to your light fixture wiring. So how can you tell which wire is hot and which is neutral since they're both black? Now with residential wiring, typically black is hot and white is neutral, but we have two black wires here. Well, look closely and you'll notice that one of these wires has smooth insulation, while the other has ridges in its insulation. The wire with smooth insulation is your hot wire, and it gets attached to the brass terminal of your socket. The wire with ridged insulation is the neutral wire, and it gets attached to the silver terminal. At the silver terminal, make a C shape with the exposed wire from your neutral wire with ridged insulation. Tuck it under the screw running clockwise, the same direction the screw tightens, and this is super important so that the screw pulls your wire as it gets tightened, otherwise it can push the wire out. After tightening your terminal screw, give the wire a test yank to make sure it's tight. Next, do the same thing for the brass terminal and the hot wire with smooth insulation. Finally, screw the whole socket back together and you're all set. Hey, real quick, do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up if it's helping you out in some way. And if after seeing this video you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can click the ManCycle logo right here. See you next time.